In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add AI images into Freepik. So the first thing you need to do is log into your Freepik contributor account. Then from here, you need to click up on this blue icon called Upload Files. Then from here, you can drag and drop or click Browse to find that specific image that you have created with AI. Then click Open, like so. Then from here, you can go down here to Cease Uploaded Files. And as you're going to see here, now you can click on it and you can select Created with Artificial Intelligence. And it's very important that you click that, or else your account will essentially get deleted. Then from here you can also select the prompts that you used and the base model if you want to use that. That is not obligatory to do. Then from here you need to select the title and add your keywords. When you have added your selected keywords, you simply just need to go down and click Submit. You also need to be aware that you need to have already been uploading 10 resources or files, if you will, before you can submit any further. And all of those 10 needs to be approved to be able to post on limited times. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!